See what you got, Vito. This is going to be on YouTube.
It won't be the first one on YouTube, baby.
Good job, you guys.
That's a great name.
Yeah.
Actually, our point system works.
Congratulations, Vito.
Thank you.
Vito.
Take a picture of the cake, kid.
Vito.
Where's the
Well, I'm in video camera mode.
Here.
I want the cake up right.
All right.
Vito, you should have given us the video, the bigger camera. Hey,
Scotty,
you do
put
it.
that down immediately. She wants the candelabra, but just put it right on the table.
Apparently, she misread Veto as Vito.
There you go.
See, and just as proof, right there. Veto. Buenos cumpleaños. Hey, what do you know? It's his birthday too. All right, what's that from? What's that from?
Oh, it's from,
It's a sheep's birthday.
Not you. You don't know.
Caroline gets the shells. I get the wreath. There you go, the wreath.
How about Caroline gets ice cubes?